Part 1, SBS, what it is, why it matters, prep and log in. The biggest risk is not taking one. Today's tiny risk unlocks a big result, claiming your business in the SBA's Small Business Search, so buyers can actually find you. What is SBS? Small Business Search is the SBA's modern directory that replaced DSBS. It's where contracting officers and primes look for small businesses by NAICS, certifications, keywords, and location. Why claim your business? Unclaimed or outdated profiles cost you credibility and visibility. When you claim it, you control your contact info, your NAICS, your buyer language keywords, and your capability statement link. The value for you is accuracy and control. The real value is showing up in the exact searches your buyer is running this quarter. Before you start, have these 4 things handy. Number 1, your UEI. Number 2, your EIN or TIN. Number 3, your legal business name exactly as it appears in SAM.gov. Number 4, your CAGE code. Step 1, make sure your SAM.gov registration is active. If SAM is expired, fix that first. Step 2, go to certifications.sba.gov and click Sign Up or Log In. Use your login.gov account. You're in the right place. In Part 2, we'll claim your business and optimize your profile so it ranks for the searches that matter. When you're ready, start Part 2.